Hello, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor, and in today's discussion I want to talk about the stock market. As a trend follower, I look at groups of markets. I don't just look at the stock market. I look at the grains, I look at metals, I look at energies. I look to buy the strongest markets, I look to sell the weakest markets. And I want to highlight a point that you need to follow a trading methodology and a trading system, and opinions really mean nothing. The fact I want to bring up today is talk about the stock market in the U.S. The fact is, I had a signal to go long, and we've had this really strong move in the S&Ps as well as in the Dow. What I want to point out is, this was a trade that I really, let's say, I wouldn't want to take because I'm very skeptical of the move, but I took the trade. What is the key point here? You follow a methodology, you be consistent, you know exactly how much you're risking, and you know where the trade doesn't work. But what is my point? If I look at some of the other factors, I look at the VIX, which is the volatility index, or the fear factor out there. There is no fear. Everyone's forgotten everything that's happened in Europe. The fact is, we're at a 5-year low in the VIX. Cut back 5 years from now and see where we were. We were at the tip of when the market sold off so dramatically. That's issue one. The other issue that's very bothersome is the fact that the volume has been so weak, so lackluster. You can argue, everyone has a rationalization. It's because of this, because of that. The fact is, volume was so weak. The other fact is, we're almost at a triple top now. All of these factors get me very nervous. I'm in the trade. I follow my plan. I have my stop. I trail it with an indicator that I developed years ago in 1998 that was in Stocks and Commodities magazine. If you'd like, I'd email you the article. The fact is, I just want to give you a heads up. I'm concerned about the stock market. It's not that I'm predicting anything. Trend followers don't predict. We react. But you look at all the facts, and you know what? Sometimes you just need to think. Just use common sense. When there's no fear, that's when I get scared. Even though I don't get scared, I'm following my plan. But when there's fear, I get aggressive. I like when there's those issues. So what I really want to tell you is just be a little bit wary of your stock trading. There's a lot of signals out there. There's some slight divergences also on the MACD. It just doesn't smell good. In the meantime, I'm long. I'm trailing my stop. I have a nice open profit. But the fact is, having the VIX at a 5-year low, having this low volume and complacency and the divergence on the MACD, it's not a good sign. I invite you to read my upcoming book, The Bible of Trend Following, where you can learn how to be, or potentially learn how to be, a successful trend follower. The other thing is also I want to invite you. I have a free 40-page manual on trend following, which you can download for free on my website, trendfollowingmentor.com. But everything that I strive to do is to educate and to help you become a better trader. I've had people help me all along the way, and this is what I'd like to do and offer you my help. I thank you. Again, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor.